Hey guys, Nathan here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Doca car charger. I didn't pay for this. They reached out to me by email and said, would you like to review it? We'll let you keep it if you review it and stuff. So they told me to buy it on Amazon with a free discount code, but it was on Amazon.com and they didn't ship to my area. So I had to get it shipped directly from China, and that's just why the packaging is a little bumped up, but that shouldn't affect the actual product. So input 11 to 30 volts, output is, for the type C output, it's 5 volts 3 amps. For the USB is 5 volts 2.4 amps, and the other USB, I think it's 9 volts or 5 volts for the USB 3. So let's open this up. Okay, so here it is. This comes in a plastic bag, and it's actually pretty heavy. Feels, the outside is metal, and it feels really good quality. It has, so you can see, it has a USB type C there. This USB 3.0 can basically do whatever voltage you want to, and the USB 2.0, if you have an older phone, is just 5 volts. Yeah, it is metal, so I guess if you drop it, it won't break. So let's go out to the car and see if it works. Okay, so I'm in the car, got the charger here. I'm going to plug it in, and the USB 3.0 actually lights up. And I have my USB cable right here. Let's see if I can get this first try. Nope, can't get second try either. There we go. So that's in. Okay, I got the USB-C side. Now I'm gonna plug my phone in. It's charging, so you can see right there. So this has been the review of the Doca car charger. I will link this charger in the description if you want to buy it for yourself. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.